Hello, you Mayhem Makers. I'm Mindy with Quilting Mayhem, and welcome to a summer sampler block tutorial. This is block number 2. The traditional name for this block is Cracker. Now, this is a easy block, so this week you're gonna love me because you're really just putting 3 rectangles together to make that center unit, and then triangles on the sides. Easy peasy. So we're going to start with just taking 2 of the rectangles, putting them right sides together. If you're not using Konas, make sure they are right sides together. Otherwise, nice thing about these solids, there's really no right or wrong. And we are working in 1/4 inch seam allowances, but we're gonna sew 1/4 inch seam on one side, press it open, do the other side, press it open, and that'll be the center unit. So I'm gonna go put that together and show you what it looks like. All right, so your center unit looks like this. If you're pressing seams open, great. It'll be nice and pretty on the back with the white or the cream going towards the middle, your color going outward. If you are pressing one way or the other, make sure you're pressing to the dark side, because if you press the darker color to the inside, you're gonna see that seam a little more, which is part of why I like pressing seams open. And then you're just gonna put your triangles on. Now, if you're worried about how you get them centered, you can just take this block, press it in half, and you can just pinch, or you can put a pin right in that center mark, and then you can do the same with your triangle. If you're worried about it not being perfectly even, just press it in half on that long edge. Same thing. And then you can match up those pinch marks or those pin marks so that that triangle is dead center, and then just pin it. You're gonna have little edges of those triangles stick out. That's okay. You want those little dog ears. Otherwise, it will not line up all correctly in the end. All right, so match those centers, do that 1/4 inch seam, and do on both sides. And then we'll do the white on the other sides. All right, so you have this fun unit now, and you just need to put your white triangles on that outer edge. Now, if these little dog ears bug you when you go to line up those triangles, just take your scissors, clip them off so you have a nice straight edge. You can use a rotary cutter if you want, whatever works. Just clip them off. They bug me most of the time, so I just trim them. And then you're going to do the same thing that you did with these outer triangles. Fold it in half, find that center, pin it or crease it, whichever works. Pin's not cooperating today. And then same with that triangle, find that center. And you're just gonna match it up with that pin and pin it so it doesn't shift. And then take it to the machine and sew it. All right, so there's your finished block. Make sure it measures 9.5 inches. You can trim it a little bit if it's maybe too big, hopefully not too small. And you're going to make 9 of these. So hopefully it goes pretty quick for you. I really enjoy the layout I did this year for the summer sampler. I tried to make it a little bit different for you guys, but I know it's more blocks than usual because last year was just a traditional sampler. I made it a little more modern and fun for you. If you're having any problems, please reach out to us. You can email us at info@quiltingmayhem. You can call us at the store, come see us at the store if you're local, and make sure you're liking and following us on all our social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. We're darn near everywhere. And share us, share the joy of this sampler. We're really enjoying it, and we hope a lot of you are having fun sewing along with us. Have a lovely day. Keep on stitching.